Hello everybody, how's it going, YouTubers and Facebookers and Twitters, whatever. I'm giving an educational video today. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a hub adapters for your riding lawnmower off of a rim that you already have onto it. What you will need is a metal blade for a sawzall and a big drill bit. Like, see, drill a hole, get your rim off. It's the rim to your lawnmower. Okay, I'm gonna make it a hub. How I'm gonna do this is the outside part, because it goes in here, goes on the tire like this. This is the outside part, so you want the outside part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut around this whole thing right here, and we're gonna leave this. What this is gonna do is we're gonna drill 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is gonna be a hub once I cut this off it. So I got these rims over here. I'll be able to take this rim and the bolts that I have sticking out and bolt it right up. There.